won't start. The damn car won't start. What do I do? How y'all doing out there? Y'all doing good? Yeah, y'all can see where I'm at. It's so damn dark outside, you probably can't even tell. But let me give you a hint. This is a damn seatbelt. Seatbelt. Safety first. That's what they say. Okay, go back. Go back. Snap back. Snap back. Oh man, dude, y'all just don't know. I ate so much damn food, dude. Woo! Oh, Thanksgiving food. Oh my God. Oh, it was a treat. It was a treat. Man, now I'm on gonna get up with some honeys. You know what I'm saying? You know how crazy doing it sometimes. I get with the girls, I get with the honeys. I wanna get with the honeys. But I'm so damn full, man. I don't got my license. My damn license got revoked. And then it's a holiday, Thanksgiving holiday. They might have some damn roadblocks. I don't want to get stopped in no damn roadblock. I get stopped in the roadblock, I'm going straight to jail. I'm going straight to jail. I'm going straight to jail. Man, dude, I'm down there like, forget roadblocks. I don't give a damn about no damn roadblock. I'll go right through you like a damn Smokey in the Bandit movie. No, I love my freedom. Why would I do that for? Oh my God, dude. I want to drive so bad, dude. She gonna have to come to me. No, dude, I got the damn car. I got the car. Oh shit, the car won't start. The damn car won't start. What do I do? Oh shit. Oh my God.
Darrell, R.D.P. You mother effers.
I do